My name and my nature both go hand in hand. Happiness. Yes, you're correct. My name is Khushi. First of all, I would like to thank the entire Raval Educational Society for giving me this opportunity to represent ourselves in this inter-school case study competition.
जज्बात के धागे
Every one
चुने
of you must have heard about a Superman. Even little kids know who a Superman is. But do you people know who a Superwoman is? Let me introduce you to the Superwoman from Barmer, Rajasthan, Ruma Devi.
इस जीवन के कपड़े पर जो तस्वीर उभर के है आई, वो हिंदुस्तान हमारा है, नया हिंदुस्तान हमारा है।
A popular traditional handicraft artisan and a social activist. Ruma Devi was born on 16th November 1989 in Barmer, Rajasthan. Barmer is located in the western part of the state, forming a part of the Thar Desert. The region is characterized by harsh terrain, humidity and scanty rainfall. Born into a rural Hindu family, Ruma Devi is the eldest amongst her 7 sisters. Her father is a farmer and her mother died when she was just 5 years old. Can you people imagine, just 5 years old? And this didn't end here. When she was in 8th standard, her family faced a financial crisis, as a result of which she had to drop off her schooling. She was suppressed under the burdens of household and poverty. कहते हैं शाम सूरज को ढलना सिखाती है, शाम धरती को जलना सिखाती है, गिरने वाले को तकलीफ अक्सर होती है, मगर ये ठोकरें ही इंसान को चलना सिखाती है. Finally, at the age of 17, she was married to Jagdev Singh in a poor family. In 2012, she was blessed with a son, but due to some financial crisis, her son was not provided with proper medication facilities and he died when he was just 1.5 years old. This led to a complete emotional breakdown in Ruma Devi's life. No ray of hope seemed to enter her life. This was a certain stage in her life that she even decided to commit suicide. Do you know, all the success stories in the world are the stories of great failure, but it is their ability to bounce back in tough times that makes them successful. Ruma Devi too decided to bounce back. She said, "No, I can't quit. I am stronger than my circumstances." And this is where the journey begins. In her childhood, after her mother's death, Ruma Devi used to spend most of her time with her grandmother. Her grandmother used to teach her embroidery and sewing. This became her skill and later her passion. To overcome the financial crisis in the family and to basically keep herself busy, she started to make handbags with embroidery and patchwork. The first bag she made was sold for ₹70 and her work was praised by all her buyers. But again, nobody in the history has ever created history without tasting some failures. In those days, when Ghungat Pratha, the wheel system, was practiced in Rajasthan, working being a woman was a major gender obstacle because the household in Barmer didn't wanted their women to work because they thought it would corrupt their mind. And what if they don't obey them after being self-reliant? Working in wheel was another major challenge because embroidery, sewing and patchwork is a very critical and a crucial task. Also, thirdly, lack of funding and investment was another major hindrance because the women were not self-reliant. Neither the women were educated nor were they allowed to explore the market because this was a question of their security. आपको पता है हमारे देश में कभी भी कोई लड़का रोता है तो उससे क्या कहा जाता है? उससे कहते हैं ये लड़की है क्या? रो रहा है, लड़की है। मान लो सिर्फ रोने का काम लड़की का ही है, इतना वीक समझा जाता है लड़की को। ये हमारी सोसाइटी है, हमारा बिलीफ सिस्टम है। पर कहते हैं ना, जिस पे जग हंसा है उसी ने इतिहास रचा है। अपनी सोच के पिंजरे को तोड़ दो, औरत को कमजोर समझना छोड़ दो। अगर आप कभी भी किसी से पूछते हो हाउ डिड यू बिकेम सक्सेसफुल, तो वो कहेगा यार मैंने मेहनत करी थी। बट इफ यू से समबडी व्हाई डिड यू फेल और व्हाई डिड यू बिकेम सक्सेसफुल, तो वो ये नहीं कहेगा कि यार मैंने मेहनत नहीं करी थी। वो कहेगा आई फेल्ड बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट हैव रिसोर्सेज, आई डिड नॉट हैव एजुकेशन, आई डिड नॉट हैव माई फैमिली सपोर्ट, आई डिड नॉट हैव फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट, आई डिड नॉट हैव माई एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन एंड सो ऑन. But do such resources even matter if you have resourcefulness? भगवत गीता में श्री कृष्ण कहते हैं मम वांचे जीवलोके जीवभूते सनातनः, अर्थात आप मेरे ही अंश हो. If the Lord has unlimited potential, you have the power of His unlimited potential because you are the part and parcels of the Lord. समुद्र के पानी का केमिकल कॉम्पोजिशन H2O होता है. समुद्र की एक बूंद का केमिकल कॉम्पोजिशन भी H2O होता है. If the Lord has unlimited potential, you too have the benefit of His unlimited potential. You too have that potential to generate talent, generate resources, generate money, generate investments, etc. But now the question comes, why only Ruma Devi? Why only her brand? It is actually because it is not the one who starts the smart work is a smart, but it is the one who completes the smart work smartly is a smart. इन लोगों की स्ट्रैटेजी बहुत सिंपल थी कि इन लोगों को करना क्या है. They mainly focused on three things. जो इनको आता है, जो इनको भाता है और जो बाजार चाहता है. जो इनको आता है इनका स्किल, जो इनको भाता है इनका लव, इनका पैशन, और जो बाजार चाहता है इनकी अर्निंग्स. And the most important among these three is your earning, is your passion. Because if you do what you love doing, you will never have to work for a single day in your life. This strategy was a success. A large number of women joined them. The production also started getting better. Now they felt that they need to look for a market outside Rajasthan. Outside Rajasthan as well, their work was supported and praised by all the women. Their sale went from rupees 70 to 15 to 20,000, and then there was no turning back. When we generally go to a market, what do we say to the shopkeeper? भैया कुछ नया दिखाओ, ये तो पुराना हो गया है. This is what we say. Or do we go for something that has been outlisted 2 or 3 months ago? No, we go for the trends, right? And this is what Ruma Devi and her team knew very well. They always try to do something new according to the trends and demands of the people. Today, the handmade products of Ruma Devi are available on almost all the online platforms such as Amazon, Flipkart, the handmade product store, etc. There is a very famous proverb that coming together is a beginning, staying together is a progress, and working together is a success. Ruma Devi today owns a client list of many prominent designers such as Ankita Dongre, Rohit Kamra, and many more. There is a saying that individually we are a drop, together we are an ocean. In 1998, Ruma Devi landed up at the Mahila Gram Vikas Sanstha (GVCS), where under the guidance of Vikram Singh, Ruma Devi and her team started making cushions, bed sheets, curtains, etc. The motivation and support from Vikram Singh acted as a ladder for Ruma Devi to scale the heights of success. The production started getting better, more and more local women joined their group, and the number of women increased from 10 to 22,000. Yes, you heard correct, 22,000 women. It's not a number, it's a mass. Due to her continuous efforts and determination, she first became the member and then the president of Brahmin Vikas Sanstha (GVCS). People work for money, but they go an extra mile for recognition. After so much of struggle and hard work, finally there was a day in Ruma Devi's life when she was showered with all the recognition, achievement and awards. In 2018, Ruma Devi was awarded with the Nari Shakti Puraskar by the President of India, Shri Ramnath Kovind. On 20th September 2019, she shared stage with the big B of Bollywood, Amitabh Bachchan and Sonakshi Sinha on Kaun Banega Crorepati. In the same year, she won the title of the TFI, the Textile Face of India. In 2018, she was featured on the cover page of India Today magazine in its anniversary edition with the title India Today, New Bharat. Recently in 2020, she was invited by the Harvard University, Boston, USA as a panelist in its All India Conference, which itself is a great achievement. लोग सही कहते हैं, लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. The journey of Ruma Devi herself is a lesson to learn. In your life, if your hopes fall apart, remember, just when the caterpillar thinks the world was ending, it turns into a butterfly. Sir, if the end is not the good, it is not the end. The best is yet to come. At last, I would like to thank from core of my heart to all my teammates, Muskan, Anjali, Raj and Tanish for making this presentation a big hit. Thank you all too for watching our video patiently.